Let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to all my dear students. Standard 5, subject Computer Theory, topic Formatting in MS PowerPoint, part 2. Children, in part 1, we have learned about changing slide layouts, design templates, color scheme. In this lesson, we are going to learn add footer and notes and use the slide master. So let us start. Our first topic is adding footers. What if you need to add the presentation title and slide number on every slide of the presentation? Won't it be nice if we could add this details on just one slide and it would automatically appear on all the other slides? MS PowerPoint provides the footer option to add the repetitive text at the top or bottom of each slide of a presentation. So let us see how to add a footer information. First, click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Second, from the text group, click the header and the footer icon. Select the slide number checkbox. Select the footer checkbox. Type the footer text that needs to appear on each slide in the footer text box, as you can see in the picture. Next step, select the Don't Show on Title Slide checkbox. The selected information will appear on all the slides except the title slide. The last, click the Apply button to display the information only on the selected slides, or click the Apply to All button to display the information on all slides. So this way, your footer will be applied on each slide. Next topic is adding notes to slides. A PowerPoint presentation usually does not have too much text. It only has main bullet points on which we can elaborate while making a presentation. So how do we remember what we need to speak for each slide? MS PowerPoint allows us to add notes that we can refer during a presentation. This is a notes area. These notes can act as a reminder of what we want to talk about in the slide. So just see the steps. Which are the steps? First one, go to the slide where we want to add the notes. Second, click in the white notes pane at the bottom of the slide. This one, children. This white area. And children, this we can drag and divide the line, and we can increase and decrease the notes pane. And the third step, type the required text in the notes pane. So this way we can add notes to the slides. Let us see our next topic, which is last one, Slide Master. Slide Master. The Slide Master in MS PowerPoint is used to make changes to all the slides of a presentation. Using the Slide Master, we can select the format for title, for backgrounds, colors, dates, time, and slide numbers. The Slide Master provides all the different slide layouts available in MS PowerPoint. Any changes made to be specified layout in the Slide Master is applied to all the slides having the layouts in presentation. So let's see how to make changes to Slide Master. First, click the View tab. Second, from the presentation view group, click the Slide Master icon, as you can see in the picture. See, after clicking on the Slide Master, these other options will be there. Yes, in addition to Slide Master tabs on the ribbon before the Home tab, the Slide Master view appears. This, which you can see, children. The sidebar on the left display the Presentation Master slide with all slide layouts offered by Microsoft PowerPoint. Then third step, we can make notification to the master slide by specifying the default font type, size, color for different slide layouts, selecting the bullet list layout for level 1 to 3 bullets, and so on. And the seventh, once done, click the close master view. So this way children, you can do the slide master option in MS PowerPoint presentation. So children, in this lesson we have learned formatting in MS PowerPoint. Next time we will learn something new. Till that time, bye, take care, have a good day.